A. The instructions on this device are more complicated than the ones we used before. B. The instructions on this device are most complicated than the ones we used before. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. More complicated is the correct answer because we're comparing the complexity of instructions between two devices, requiring the comparative form. Most complicated would be used when comparing three or more. A. Of all the paintings here, this one is the more beautiful. B. Of all the paintings here, this one is the most beautiful. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most beautiful is the correct choice as it's the superlative form, used to show the highest degree of beauty among three or more paintings. A. This year, the company's profits are higher than last year. B. This year, the company's profits are highest than last year. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Higher is correct because it's the comparative form, used for comparing the profits of two different years. Highest would be used in a superlative context. A. Of all the actors in the film, he gave the more impressive performance. B. Of all the actors in the film, he gave the most impressive performance. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most impressive is the right answer, as it's the superlative form, indicating the top performance among all actors, which involves comparing more than two. A. The test was easier this time than it was last time. B. The test was easiest this time than it was last time. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Easier is the correct answer because it uses the comparative form for comparing the difficulty level of two instances. Easiest is a superlative, not suitable here. A. Out of all the courses, this one is the more challenging. B. Out of all the courses, this one is the most challenging. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most challenging is correct, using the superlative form to indicate the course that presents the highest level of difficulty among all. A. The weather in April is usually wetter than in May. B. The weather in April is usually wettest than in May. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Wetter is the right choice because it's the comparative form, comparing the weather between two specific months. Wettest is a superlative form. A. This movie is funnier than the one we watched last week. B. This movie is funniest than the one we watched last week. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Funnier is correct, as it's the comparative form used for comparing the humor in two movies. Funniest would imply it's the most humorous of many. A. Out of all the desserts on the menu, the chocolate cake is the more tasty. B. Out of all the desserts on the menu, the chocolate cake is the tastiest. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Tastiest is the correct answer because it's the superlative form, indicating the chocolate cake has the highest level of taste among all options. A. The instructions could not be simpler. B. The instructions could not be simplest. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Simpler is the correct answer for a hypothetical improvement, using the comparative form. Simplest is a superlative, used for the most extreme degree among many. A. This book is more interesting than the one I read last month. B. This book is most interesting than the one I read last month. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. More interesting is correct because it's the comparative form, comparing two books directly. Most interesting would be used when comparing three or more. A. She felt happier today than she did yesterday. B. She felt happiest today than she did yesterday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Happier is the correct choice, using the comparative form to compare her feelings on two different days. Happiest is a superlative, not applicable here.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.